Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of healthy workouts. Whether you're a seasoned fitness enthusiast or just starting out on your journey to a healthier lifestyle, this video is packed with tips, routines, and expert advice to help you achieve your best self. Let's get started. Before we hit the gym or head outdoors, it's essential to understand the basics. Every effective workout begins with a solid foundation. Let's break down the essential muscle groups and movements that form the core of our workout routines. When we talk about fitness, we often think of abs, biceps, and legs. However, it's crucial to also focus on the back, shoulders, and core for balanced strength and stability. Absolutely! A balanced approach not only enhances our performance, but also prevents injuries. Let's start with some simple yet effective exercises to target these areas. Cardiovascular exercises are key to improving heart health and stamina. Whether it's jogging, cycling, or swimming, these activities elevate our heart rate and increase oxygen flow throughout the body. Cardiovascular workouts not only burn calories, but also strengthen the heart muscle and improve overall circulation. Let's join some fitness enthusiasts in the park as they demonstrate effective cardio routines you can incorporate into your daily regimen. Strength training is crucial for building muscle mass, boosting metabolism, and improving bone density. Whether you're lifting weights or using resistance bands, these exercises help sculpt and tone your body. Strength training isn't just about lifting heavy weights, it's about challenging your muscles to grow stronger over time. Let's learn some basic strength training techniques and how they can benefit our overall fitness goals. Flexibility and mobility are often overlooked, but are essential components of a well-rounded fitness routine. Activities like yoga and stretching not only improve flexibility, but also enhance joint mobility and reduce the risk of injury. Yoga is a fantastic way to improve flexibility, balance, and mindfulness. It's about connecting the body and mind through fluid movements and controlled breathing. Let's join a yoga session to explore some beginner-friendly poses that can help improve our flexibility and overall well-being. Exercise alone isn't enough. Proper nutrition and hydration play a vital role in supporting our fitness goals. Fueling our bodies with the right nutrients ensures we have the energy and stamina to power through our workouts. Balanced meals rich in lean proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates are essential for muscle recovery and growth. Let's explore some nutritious meal ideas and hydration tips to keep us energized and hydrated throughout the day. Physical fitness goes hand in hand with mental well-being. Taking time to practice mindfulness and relaxation techniques not only reduces stress, but also enhances our overall sense of happiness and fulfillment. Mindfulness exercises like meditation and deep breathing promote mental clarity, reduce anxiety, and improve our ability to focus. Join us as we delve into some mindfulness practices that can complement our workout routines and support our mental health. Thank you for joining us on this journey through healthy workouts. Remember, consistency and dedication are key to achieving your fitness goals. Whether you're hitting the gym, practicing yoga, or simply going for a jog, every step you take brings you closer to a stronger, healthier you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.